Hi, and welcome back to the Wandering Off channel. Today we are in the beautiful island of Ortigia. Today we're going to be showing you through our Airbnb, some of our favorite spots, as well as the great dining experience we got to have in this lovely city. Ortigia is the ancient heart of Syracuse. It's a small island rich in history and charm. Its winding streets are filled with a mix of Baroque and medieval architecture, lively piazzas, and seaside views. As you wander through Ortigia, you can feel the layers of history from the Greeks, Romans to the Byzantines, Arabs, and the Normans, woven into the fabric of this beautiful and timeless island. So you have a beautiful Airbnb here in Ortigia. A nice little TV over here. That we're not going to use at all, but got a lovely bathroom, beautiful sink, nice little shower, everything you need, and then you go downstairs.
Follow.
Ew, don't follow.
Watch your face.
You have a lovely little living room. Private kitchen. Little patio in the front. Washing machine. Everything you could need, man. And it's like right off the road for the Old Town. Babe, did you just walk into the door? That's my Alex. Anyways, beautiful place.
Buongiorno, Samprit.
Buongiorno.
So we got wine. It's really good. It's like delicious, actually. We got some sesame breadsticks and bread buns. We got a view. The sun should be setting like, I don't know, later, but in this area. And then we have meals that we're gonna try in a bit. Okay, so first off, we got a delicious plate of mussels. It does not smell fishy at all. If I smell it, it literally just smells savory. Gonna pour the lemon. Ooh, nice. How do you find it?
Perfectly cooked, perfectly seasoned, not overly fishy at all. Not like tea.
No, I know. I think that they smell so good.
Let's get it going, get it going. Pretty good, eh?
Oh yeah, wow.
Great wine sauce.
Oh my god, no, it's so good.
Delicious.
Okay, so I got the farfalle with pesto, and Sampri got a risotto with a lot of things. What I remember is that there is pumpkin cream, but there's also radicchio and sauce, which I don't know what kind of sauce they meant, and like garlic and parsley. And then my pesto. Sam, do you want to take a bite?
He was right.
It's good?
Nope.
Oh, it looks so steamy. Yeah, is it hot? Okay.
Oh, shit. Shit.
Can you taste the pumpkin, or is it way too hot for you to give any
You
commentary?
can taste it, but I think I need to wait a bit.
Yeah,
Way too hot.
that's fair. It also feels really hot and I'm a little scared. I think I'm just gonna lick my foot. It's good, but it is hot.
Yeah?
But if I'm gonna burn my mouth, I want it to be at this. It's really good.
That's fair, that's fair.
So we are currently in the Teatro Greco. So we're part of the, I forget what it's called. I think it's the Neapolis Park, something like that. It's basically a bunch of Greek ruins. I'm saying Greek hesitantly because I honestly didn't do my research. It was kind of a last minute decision to come here because I remembered seeing somewhere online that this is like a big thing to see. And we realized that we only have one full day here, and I was like, okay, we have to just like take the nearest taxi to like this thing. And so we did. Unfortunately, it's partially obstructed because they are practicing for a show, which I think would be beautiful if we could see it, but we cannot. But yeah, so this is where we are right now, and that's Sam. She went into one of those little tastings, and the view is quite gorgeous. It's almost sunset, so I can only imagine how beautiful this must look when the sun is setting, but gorgy. Oh my god, that cat just got on him. This is the Orecchio di Dionisio. Cool. Oh, it's an artificial cave with characteristic sinuous shape which ends with a pointed arc and with a particular acoustics ability. Wow. Sorry, this is huge.
Okay.
Sam, can you stand there for like... This is huge. Oh my god. Okay, whoa!
Why must we stay where we don't belong?
Okay, so me and Sam just got our coffees. Firstly, they're like the biggest ones that we've gotten this whole trip so far. Mine is pretty much the size of like a regular cup of coffee in Canada. But I got the ginseng coffee. Never had that, never heard of it. But oh my god, it's delicious. It's like a little sweet on its own. Almost like caramelly or something. Like it tastes desserty but not overly sweet. And then Sampreet, who is doing some redecorations at the restaurant right now. Oh my god, watch out, watch out, watch out. Sam got a large cold cappuccino. It's really sweet also. Sorry, I'm saying also, but mine wasn't very sweet. Mine was subtly sweet. This one actually is like definitely sweetened. And he got a large, but like it's actually big. So to start, we got a Sicilian bruschetta. If you look at it, it's like so out of focus, sorry. But it is pesto with cherry tomatoes on top and parmesan. We haven't had a bruschetta with pesto yet, so this looks delicious. And more in detail. Ooh, so you can hear the crunch.
Mm-hmm. So the parmesan, pesto, and pistachio pair really well together.
Oh yeah, because there's pistachio too. Right, yeah, so Sicilian.
And then the tomatoes, like, it's like delicious and fresh. You can tell when cherry tomatoes are perfect. Mm-hmm. You're perfect cherry tomatoes. I am.
Okay, so our yogurt with fruit and granola came in. Look at this cute presentation. It's so cute, like a little pot thing of yogurt, and then all the fruit. So we've got banana, kiwi, strawberry, and I think that's apple. And then the granola. And I ordered a large of the ginseng because I wasn't over it yet. Okay, so we found a grocery store for the first time like all trip. Not that we were necessarily looking all trip, but this time we decided to go get because the water here is not drinkable, like the tap water, so we had to buy water bottles. So we got that, and then I also got a hazelnut spread. And when we were at one of the museums, I tried a hazelnut honey. It was like one of the best things I ever had. So just now I saw like a natural like hazelnut spread, and it's like sweetened, and based on how good the pistachio spread is here, I think the hazelnut is going to be game changer. So I bought it.
We are on the dock on the island of Ortigia. The Isle of Ortigia. Look at it. Kind of gives Zadar vibes.
But the water essentially is just very, very blue right now.
Why is my camera not focusing? Does she know she has a smudge on her sunglasses?
Okay, so we were having some beer.
And Birra dello Stretto.
How's that moving? Nice, nice. Sam bought some chips. Mid. Mid. He also bought ham and lost it. So we're not having it because we don't know where it went.
There you go. Oh,
Wait, hold on.
oh that lemon drowse.
Yes, sir. Probably the lemon's easy to squeeze. You don't have to like press hard at all. I love that in a lemon. That's cool.
Delicious. Beautiful.
So there are cats all over Italy, and we ordered our calamari. We found the squiddy parts a little too squiddy for us, but the cats loved them. They finished everything. There was so much. They even started eating the lemon peel, but we ended up throwing it out because we figured that they probably will not enjoy it. But yeah, and then we made friends. So we decided to stop for dessert and meatballs and wine all at once. It didn't come yet. Literally, we got the dessert first. Dessert. It's so funny.
Dessert, meatballs, and wine. Oh, here it comes.
Oh, yeah? Okay. Okay, so the wine arrived. So most of the meal is here. This is so random. Anyways,
2 different wine glasses.
so we ordered a ricotta cannoli. Literally, they come in different flavors, but we are suckers for ricotta. Then we wanted a casatina, right? It's a cake.
Uh-huh.
And I think that the ricotta isn't just ricotta. I think there might be like flour and it's baked or something. It was almost like cheesecakey. It's really good though. And the cake, maybe there's a bit of lemon in it or something. It's nice. Interesting. Try a cannoli. That's wrong. Try the cannolo. Oh, babe.
Oh my god.
It's good? It's good? It's good?
This tastes like a Christmas hug.
Mm-hmm.
A Christmas hug.
I feel like the casing has more... I don't know. I taste it, essentially. But
What?
the casing...
Sorry, she looked really pretty there for a second.
So we're saving the rest of our dessert for after the meatballs. We're such a mess today. Anyways, it kind of reminds me of when we used to go for breakfast at like 1 p.m. in Croatia and we would order dessert and then spaghetti. I just always thought that was really funny because we would wake up after breakfast hour and like they didn't have anything breakfasty at all. So we would order like the dessert crepes.
And the dessert crepes are always so good.
Yeah, like we would order the dessert almost as an appetizer and then order spaghetti as lunch. Okay,
There's
so
just a tomato, olive, and parmesan.
yeah, try it. Oh, it looks hot though, eh? Okay. Yeah, it's good.
Flavors.
Yeah, what's going on here?
Packed with flavor. Now I haven't tried the meatball yet, but if the sauce, the tomato, parmesan, and olive taste good.
Okay, so I'm trying. You're looking at it funny. Good?
That's a good meatball. Alright. Definitely delicious, and to be had with the parmesan and olive and the tomato sauce to make it more Sicilian. But other than that, it's delish.
Nice.
Cut it up to soak in the sauces. Thank you for joining us on another video. We hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment if you think we missed anything to help out your fellow travelers. And until next time, keep wandering, friends.